The second sign that YouTube is not for you, if you have a desire to start a channel or you already got your channel going and you really think you know everything already, you're not willing to learn, then YouTube might not be for you. Matter of fact, I got a new motto that we use over here at Next Level, and is that we win some and we learn some, but we never lose as long as we're learning. So if you're someone who's not always learning, you think you know everything, especially if you don't have anything more than 100 videos uploaded yet, because according to the science, if you got anything less than 100 videos, you're just getting started. And if that's you, you might not want to be here. You might want to say, I'm done. Just throw it on in, because we always have to be learning. Always be willing to learn. And like I say, as long as you are learning, you are never losing. I like to say, I earn more because I learn more. And the more I learn, the more I earn. That's the second sign that this thing might not be for you. You might want to say, I'm done, if you're not willing to learn and grow to that next level mindset. And if you're part of the family, you already know that's how we like to do it over here. We want to go to that next level. If you want to hear some great music, entertainment, inspiration, and motivation, make sure you bookmark my page. Come back and hang back. You do not want to miss my next upload. Now listen, 2 more videos are going to come up on the screen. Now watch both of them. See me over there. Stay blessed, stay positive. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.